Hello, everyone. My name is Aaliyah Johnson, and I'd like to talk to you about my proposal for presenting at ADI this summer. My passion is teaching science and teaching scientific literacy. What I'd like to talk to teachers about are those strategies that we need in participating with the chemistry and physics labs. I'd like to talk to you about how we can make that connection, making scientific literacy more engaging, making it more relevant, and also building that excitement. I'd like to share with you some of the resources that I use that will sometimes even have your students asking, when is the next time we're going to have a reading assignment? I would share about our science interactive notebooks and how it helps to make that connection between literacy and technology. Yes, we know that students all know how to use a computer, but I want to emphasize the importance of students learning how to take precise measurements, how to make an accurate prediction, how to use information around them to process, to use in that scientific method in the physics, chemistry, and biology sciences. I would also like to include the family engagement piece, where we talk about how we can extend the learning, including family members and also including those at home in the students' learning. I'm hoping that you will consider my proposal. I'm looking forward to sharing so many of these wonderful strategies to, again, bring the rigor, relevance, and connection to science. Thank you.